Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do product research for your Amazon FBA business using Seller Amp and Keepa. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group so you guys can, attend my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. Okay, so I'm going to put the link in my description below so you guys can join. And yeah, for today's video, this is how you guys do product research using Seller Amp and Keepa for your Amazon FBA business, right? So let's see. So the first step for you guys to do is for you guys to open up your Amazon seller account. I'm not seller account. Amazon product page. I'm sorry. And then open up your the supplier page. So it looks like this, right? And then your Amazon product page looks like this. And then from here, you guys would just need to compare the products. Make sure that the products match. Same title, description, color, size. So yeah, so just keep look here, the photos. I mean, they seem like they're the same. So, and then from there, you would take the cost of the product, right? So this one is $17.99. So I would type it here under cost, $17.99, and then the sale price on Amazon is $36.95. So we plug it here. The estimated sales per month for this product is $168. It's giving us a 38% ROI, which is really good. About a $7 profit right there. And then what I like to do is, once I like the numbers that I see here, I usually look at the other sellers in the on the listing, and then I decide, right? So I decide if I'm willing to share 168 sales a month with this much sellers on the listing, so 2 sellers with this much inventory with this high ROI, right? So to me, this is good. It's actually really good. That's making me suspicious because why is there only 2 sellers here? So from here, I usually like to look at the Keepa chart. And honestly, based on the Keepa chart, let me see. Yeah, I'm seeing that the seller count for this product has been dropping down to 1 right there. So, I mean, this might be advanced, but if I see the seller count dropping to like 1, right, for an extended amount of time, I usually stay away from the product because this is a sign that this product might be getting IP complaints. Okay, so IP meaning intellectual property complaints, which means I'm not able to sell this product because the brand is not okay with us selling the product, right? So yeah, so for this instance, I'm gonna skip this one because it's making me very suspicious that the brand might issue me an IP complaint when I decide to sell the product, right? So again, I'm gonna repeat it if you guys missed it. Based on the Keepa chart, the seller count here, the purple line, is dropping to 1 for a long time, right? So I would skip this product because this is an indication that an IP complaint is happening or might happen in the future. So yeah, I'll stay away from this product. Next product is this one. So again, right, look at the title, description, color of the product. Make sure that the products match. So also note that on Rakuten is giving you an extra 6% cash back right there. So it's buy one get one free. So so 17.49 divided by 2, right? So buy one get one free. So now 17.49 is going to be divided by 2, which means one piece of this product is $8.74. And from here, we plug it here, $8.74 under cost, right? And then once you find the cost, the sale price on Amazon is about 23 bucks. Sales per month for this product is 630. ROI is 58%. So everything's looking good. And then from here, you go to the bottom of the page. and then you decide, right? You need to decide if you're willing to share 630 sales a month with 12 other sellers, with this much inventory, with this much ROI, right? Man, this one's gonna be tough because the ROI for this one is going as low as 7%, but the sales per month is really high at 630. So, so to me, I think the first, I want to say five, maybe six sellers are going to be wiped out or sold out very soon, right? Because of the sales volume of this product, the sales per month. So to me, I'm okay with this product, even if the ROI is low, because I know, or I think that this first, 7 sellers are going to be sold out very soon, and then the ROI is going to jump to 18%, right? And obviously, this is not guaranteed. It can be risky. So that's going to be up to you guys. But based on my experience, right, this product is selling a lot. So I know that the number of sellers are going to decrease like really quickly. But another concern though with this product is that Amazon was on the listing in the past 3 months, right? So from November 23rd all the way to January 8th, even here, right? You guys see the orange line right there? Amazon was on the listing, and they were pricing this product at $7.43. So if you guys run the numbers right, if Amazon goes back on the listing and they drop the price to $7.47, 49 cents, you guys are going to be losing money, right? You guys are going to be losing 86% ROI on your money. So obviously that's very risky. So usually when Amazon is on the listing in the past 3 months, I usually stay away from the product, just because I don't want Amazon to come back and then drop the price again, like here. And then I also zoom out sometimes, or usually to like a year. See, so Amazon. So based on the trend, right? Amazon has been on the listing in the past, man. Like I want to say like 80% of the whole year. So to me, this makes this product very risky because I'm pretty sure based on um, history, right, or historical data, Amazon is going to go back to the listing again and drop the price to 780. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to put the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.